What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I've been in this garage and filmed a video. I think the last time I filmed the video in here was, actually it wasn't that long ago. I did a video of just, saying what I'm doing with my life. I'm still in school right now. I'm trying to become a software engineer, front-end developer, whatever you want to call it. Still taking classes that I still have 3 months to do, 2 more projects, and then I graduate, and then on to a new life. Just grinding it out, but as of today for this video, we're gonna make a video of my brother's four-door. It's been a while since I've, well, I was not focusing, okay. It's been a while since I've actually showed an update video on this car, and he has been doing a lot of stuff on the side, and I just haven't been here to film anything or help him out. I've just been up north, but I'm down here for a bit, and we're gonna make a video, or a, a walk around video of what's been done to his car. One thing you guys could definitely see are the RPF ones. So these are, they don't look bad at all on his car. Personally, RPF ones are really played out for me, but on this car, since the car is white on silver wheels, it looks pretty good on his car. And I think these are the 16x8s. I don't remember the offset. I think they're 38 offset if I remember. With two 1545s, the one only tire for 16s. If you guys run 16x8s or 16x7s, Falcon Azenis are one of the nicest tires to get. So two 1545. Man, these are brand new. He has those just for now because he's still waiting on his wheels to come in from ICB, his black Rega Masters, or I think they're black Rega Masters, and supposedly they were at the port in Long Beach, but who knows how long. It's been a couple months now since he ordered them. And it's just a big waiting game for parts now, especially the whole issue with containers and just delay, just in general. And he actually got brand new SIR headlights. CTR has that dark tint like on my hatch, but these are SR, so they're a lot more like chrome. And these are wrapped. I think there's a, there's a clear film on them that he got done somewhere just to prevent it from turning yellow, because most, as you know, plastic headlights turn yellow. Like, if you don't take care of them and if you park in the sun all day, they just haze up and they turn yellow and it just ruins the headlights. But he actually got these PPF, I guess, or some type of film on it. And yeah, they're super clean. Look at that brand new plastic. Yeah, can never go wrong with brand new headlights. And I feel like trying to find headlights for a 96, 98, it's extremely hard versus a 99 2000. You could get C-tier headlights for those cars all day. On these ones, these are a lot harder to find just because of the generation or the year. They're literally brand new. Look at that. Oh, and I've realized that these actually have a little shield. Oh yeah, these are the, okay, so these are the Vallejo ones, or Valios. It's too tight. When you guys buy JDM headlights for EKs, some of them, like my OC2 headlights, they don't have that shield around the bulb. If you don't have that shield, the headlights, they scatter everywhere. So it's very hard to adjust your headlights and they just scatter. But this actually has that shield, so that's actually very interesting to see. And there's no bulb in there, what the hell? Huh, okay. I'm not gonna question that, but I think he knows that there's no bulb in there. Engine bay, K20. Tracked up intake. Oh, you guys can kind of see the etching on it. This is really nice. It'd be nice if you actually polished it to match the throttle body and the radiator, but besides that, this direct raw finish is really clean. And I don't know what else done on the engine bay. I think it's been the same ever since I last touched it. He did buy a new radiator overflow. This one we just had laying around and it worked. But we're gonna get rid of it. It's just because, I mean, it works. But he got the Chase Bay's reservoir tank. That's a really nice piece. So he has this, and I think we're gonna, or he is planning on putting it down here, I believe, so kind of tuck it away. I don't know when he's gonna do it, but I think that's where he's putting it at, I'm not sure. And I haven't really messed with a car in a while, minus like my TSX, which is like basic maintenance. And then going further, like working in depth on just the car, it's been a while. The last thing I've did on this car was, I think, the throttle body. Yeah, just the throttle body, and he ended up polishing out the throttle body, which is like a very mild polish, but makes a huge difference. The one and only best seats that you can get for a EK. Well, one of the best. So Recaro SPGs. So there's SPGs and there's the pole position. I love the pole position, but I'm a small guy, my brother's a small guy. Like, we're both the same kind of like size. So the pole position is way too wide. So when you're sitting in it, you kind of move around. The SPG for both of us is actually perfect. And he bought two brand new, similar to my old setup in the hatch. Can never go wrong. And he actually got these. This actually prevents your bolster or this portion right here from ripping, because when you get in and out of the car, your pants is like dragging on, or your leg. I never had that on my car because I was very, I just carried myself in and I never touched it. But having this in is a really nice addition to preventing your seats from getting messed up. Especially these are brand new, and of course they are real. So it has the K swap shifter. He did get this new shift knob. This is the hybrid titanium one with the titanium rod, and I still think he's working on this template right here, just to make it like a little block off. And then I think a new steering wheel. I think this is a different one. It should be. I mean it's a Monte Carlo, pretty much spoon, same thing. Oh, that right there. He got the spoon mirror inserts, and he did it right too. He did it properly. He got the inserts so they actually like, they're wider, they expand your view, your vision, and also they block out HIDs, which is really nice. Pull off the old mirror and put the new one on like correctly, not just like taped it on or double side taped it on. What else? I don't know. I can't think of anything else done on this car. Did I told you guys that we actually got a full exhaust made for this car at a shop? So this car is actually ready to get dynoed. I just don't know when he's going to, but it's just a temp setup. Yeah, I forgot what muffler it is, but it's like a, I don't know what it's called, but it sounds really nice. And it's a full, I think the shop did it from the catback, I think. Yeah, they did it from the catback all the way back. So this car does have full exhaust sound, no rattles, no leaks, nothing. It's perfect. And I believe I was supposed to take off the intake, or he was going to take off the intake so I could double check that this is actually open up full throttle. And I think after I fix that, the car should be ready to get dynoed. And see how much power it makes. It's just drivability, but he's actually been driving around the base map, but he hasn't really been smashing, but it's a very solid setup, very reliable. No issues. The only issues we had was that thermostat housing, but we did replace it with a track tough one because the K20 one that we had, the thermostat, the C-clip, popped off from, I guess, the engine vibration, and then the thermostat was floating around inside. So we got rid of that and ended up getting the track tough RSX one, utilizing a OEM radiator hose, so it's perfect. Easy to find hose. We don't have to struggle with going to like O'Reilly's or something, figure out what hose it needs. Ready to get tuned. I'm trying to think about what else, but I think that's it. That's this quick update. I know he has other stuff, but I just, oh, he bought a new base grill for his car, but he already has a new one, just stocking up on parts. A lot of the parts for these cars, especially just the EKs in general, are getting discontinued. So if you guys are planning on buying stuff from the dealership or just anywhere, make sure you guys get it now, because a lot of the stuff for these cars are disappearing. So I used to work at Honda, and I used to always go through all the parts and see what they still have. And before I left, I actually like ran through some parts, and there's a lot of stuff that you can't even get anymore where you could get like a couple months ago. And now it's just, everything is just so hard to find for these cars, and now it's a chance to go to the dealership and buy it. Like, buy all the moldings, buy everything that you need right now before you just can't even get it, and then you're gonna complain that it's so expensive because Honda sell them more, and it's your fault for not hopping on it right now and just getting it before they get discontinued. But that's it. Peace out, guys. To all the others, just keep building. And I know a lot of you guys don't really like the food vlogs, but to be honest, I need to be more more open on my channel, as in just upload whatever I want, because I mean, in the end, it is my YouTube channel, so it's always good to have memories on a video platform. So peace out, guys.